Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show how to schedule a meeting in Microsoft Teams. Click this meetings, new meeting, add meeting title here, add peoples here and select date and time for meeting. You can repeat, non-repeat meeting from here. Add meeting description here. Click on save. And here we can see a new meeting has been scheduled. That's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.